A leopard has a wide variety of prey, and that's really what keeps it alive. It hunts everything from warthogs to wildebeest to gazelles, and even fowl. Since leopards hunt nearly everything, and not just what lions hunt, then when certain prey are gone, for example during the dry season, they can hunt other prey and therefore have less competition than they would have if they only just hunted the same prey as lions. Unfortunately, this species is hunted by other species. Their young is hunted by cheetahs, hyenas, leopards, and baboons. Also, a large group of baboons can overwhelm one leopard. Also, gorillas used to terrify leopards as they would hunt them down and follow them around. Since we have evolved from gorillas, we remind leopards of them, and that's why leopards are afraid of us. But that's not the point. The point is that we are the main predator of leopards, as many humans hunt them down for their furs and kill them with no reason. Also, humans hunt all of their predators, and we're just affecting them much more by doing so. We could let them overpopulate, but we're not. We're hunting them down too. At this point in time, a leopard's ecosystem is not balanced. These animals here are slowly dying, and if we don't do anything, they will become extinct. See, if you remove us from this equation, then everything starts to balance out a little more. Lions become the primary consumer of a leopard, then baboons with their young, cheetahs, hyenas, and gorillas. Not some human just hunting them down for their fur. We really need to protect this ecosystem, as it is very fragile, but we're not. However, this is not what I'm here to tell you. Energy transfer in a leopard's ecosystem. Leopards are tertiary consumers and secondary consumers. Most of their prey are herbivores, and very little are actually secondary consumers. Therefore, they get their energy pretty easily. Let's start from a leopard. They consume all these herbivores. These herbivores obviously eat plants, and these plants get their energy from the sun. Another way for leopards to get their energy is by hunting secondary consumers. For example, the fox will consume small rodents. These small rodents consume plants, and these plants get their energy from the sun. Leopards consume a small amount of secondary consumers because they get less energy from it. You see, energy is passed along in 10%. Primary consumers will only get 10% of the energy that is in the plant. Secondary consumers will only get 10% of the energy of the primary consumer. That's only 1% of energy from the plant. And leopards, if they're eating the fox, will only get 0.1% of the energy that was in that plant. Knowing this, you can see why there aren't many top consumers.